Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to telephone symbol in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add telephone symbol. Now go into the insert menu option. Now for click, then click for a symbol. Now click for more symbol option, then we show font. Search is Calvary. Now search from the Winding font. Now search from Enterprise. Then we can say click for telephone icon. Now click for insert option. Now click for close. That is. Then we show telephone symbol. In now telephone symbol is change color, then go into the home menu option, then click for a font color. That is. Then you can say add telephone symbol in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.